Hey guys, it's Maite. Welcome back to my channel. So I did a little shopping at the Target dollar spot, and of course I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got. But in addition to that, I figured I would be a lot more helpful in these hauls and show you exactly how I plan on using these in my planner. I know a lot of you watched my 2017 mid-year setup, and that was a combination of a ton of different brands that I used to personalize my planner. And my shopping at the Target dollar spot has really evolved over the past year. I just did a massive clean out of my craft drawer. I can do a little craft drawer tour for you guys if you're interested. And I realized I got rid of so many things that I just wasn't using from the Target dollar spot. Page flags, sticky notes, just things that like never made it into my planner, or maybe they made it into my planner, but I didn't really use the rest of them. So being armed with the knowledge of how you plan and exactly how you plan on using a specific item that you pick up is very useful in a place like the dollar spot. I'll also be going through an in-depth close-up flip through of the new Target dollar spot sticker books as well. Before I forget, go follow me at my new planner Instagram, Maite Victoria Plans. I just made it last night. I finally got a separate Instagram account for my planner related Instagram posts. I know. So if you were following me on my old personal account, please follow me here and spam me with your IG usernames in the comments so I can follow you as well and come over and say hi. I'm just gonna get the non-planner items out of the way. There are only two, and the first one is this adorable mug. This was $3, and I know it's Valentine's Day themed with the candied hearts, but there was just something so springy and like kind of all year round about this cup. I just absolutely had to have it. This is just an iPhone charging cable that I had to pick up. I completely messed up mine. Am I the only one that goes through these like every year? I swear, like my chargers break on me constantly. Obviously I took it out of the package because I desperately needed it, and I really liked the floral design that comes on it, and the cable is light blue and 3 feet long. Now I'm going to flip through the sticker books. Now these are 12 sheets each for $1, so that's crazy affordable. This is the more neutral one. These are the gold letters. You just have workout, meeting, deadlines. And again, more functional stickers up here. These tabs that say important. These here are shiny on this page. If you're in terms of writing on it, just so you know. Then we have the glitter letters here. Not gonna lie, the Bills Do stickers in the glitter look a little wonky, but maybe in the planner it'll look a little different. I love these glitter letters up here. Like, you see what I mean? You can't really read what it says. Even from up close, I'm having trouble reading what it says. So you have pay bills, deadlines, and a workout sticker. It's like the glitter kind of bleeds into here. And then you have some glitter date stickers up top. And now these are all matte, so these are the black stickers. I just adore these. And I know you can't see these, but these are white letters, which I'm super excited about. That's gonna look so good with like a colorful spread. And here are the letters in verse. And again, these are matte, so you can write on these. So next up are the colorful stickers. Now these look super familiar. They look very similar to the Mambi ones, but they are different now that I'm looking at them up close. These stickers are also all matte. So these stickers are the same across the board. They're just in different colors. So you have an orange, light blue, this bright green color, the black one. So I have these mini daily sheets from the Goal Getter collection, and when I was at the dollar spot, I was like, these would go perfectly in here. Like, I bought these for this specific use. So let's see how these work. So I'm gonna use these gold ones, and let's see. yep, I was right. They fit perfectly in between these lines. It's exactly the width of one of these lines. Oh my gosh, I love how it looks, and it just matches these inserts so well. You know what, while we're here, I'm also gonna try to put these in the classic Happy Planner and see how that fits. Here's part of a spread that I didn't use in August. I know, the blasphemy. So let's take one of these bigger to-do boxes. Yeah, these are quite small in the classic. It looks kind of cute, just has like a little to-do there. So obviously you can use these in your classic if you want to. I would probably say that these are better suited for the mini just because they are pretty small, but you can do whatever you want, obviously. I don't have my mini, the horizontal pages, to show you right now because I actually shipped that out in a trade for something else. Next up is this unicorn pad, and I love it. I'm not like the biggest unicorn fan on earth, but I think the Trendsetter has converted me because I saw this and automatically thought of my Trendsetter planner, the divider in the back. So there was this and a packet of notepads and sticky notes that were for $3. I chose this over that packet just because I knew I wasn't going to be using the page flags, and while a lot of the sticky notes maybe I would have gotten use out of, I know I would have struggled to use those more than a notepad. You guys know my list illness, and this matches perfectly. This is the notes divider in the Trendsetter, and come on, like, look at that. I bought this specifically so I could have a list pad to put ideas as they came to me right before my notes section. I know, like a list before a section of lists, but like this video if you feel me on that one. And look at this, just like the little rainbow dots just match the colors perfectly. I'm getting so much satisfaction out of this, by the way, if you can't tell. So next up, I have the washi tape. I absolutely adore Target washi tape just because I think you can find some pretty unique stuff. I mean, usually I wouldn't be paying $1 per roll for something that I could find anywhere else. So just be on the lookout for the more unique rolls like this. I love these roses. They're beautiful. They remind me of the Mambi floral stickers that everybody's obsessed with, and I think that these would coordinate really nicely. I also got this pink glitter washi, which I love, and full disclosure, this was the inspiration for my manicure. I know, like planner addict problems, but I absolutely love it. And like I said, even though it's seasonal, I can use this all year round. So this is the only Valentine's Day washi that I bought, and this is more than enough for me, just because I feel in the past I've been a little overzealous about seasonal items for my planner in general, not just at the Target dollar spot, and I realized I didn't end up using most of it. Now these are a pack of 4 Holo washi tapes for $1, so that's a steal. Holo is everywhere, and this is going to add a lot of sparkle to your planner. I thought this was a great way to try a trend without going overboard, just because I'm not sure how I'm going to like the look of it, but I have a feeling I'm really going to like it. These are the Valentine's Day stickers that I picked up, and these foiled ones are absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is more than enough for me for Valentine's Day. There is a pink side as well as a red side, and when I was in the store, I picked these stickers because I knew they would coordinate really well with these washi tapes that I picked up. So that's another tip for you guys, that if you're in the store, just look for things that are coordinating, kind of have specific spreads in mind, just so it'll help you put some other things down and pick other things instead when you kind of have a theme going in your head, especially when it comes to seasonal spreads. I also picked up a pack of these stickers. Now this is a great value. It's 200 stickers for $1, and I know they're like for kids, but we use them too, right? Even though these are for Valentine's Day, I realize that most of the stickers in here can be used all year round. So don't forget to flip through all of these things before you get turned off by what it says. So for example, these llama stickers got me, the poodle right here. Like these things you can use all year. You're a llama fun. Even these little hearts, like these are perfect for like the heart checklist that I love to do. These stickers right here, again, we have more llamas, tigers, poodles, bulldogs, etc. And I really bought this pack for these stickers. I love these little heart emoji stickers. I think they're adorable, and I think they're gonna make some of my spreads really fun, and even just to decorate dashboards and stuff like that. And of course, the unicorns in the back, like these rainbows and things. I like getting cheap stickers like this in packs because you can decorate your notes and not feel like you're wasting stickers and dashboards, especially if you're really into decorating. I absolutely couldn't resist this binder dashboard kit. This was $3, but you get quite a bunch of stuff in here, so let's open it up. Well, let's start with the stickers because they are stinking adorable. Oh, look at that lipstick case. It has hearts on it. These are great. I love these. This reminds me of that company Bando. I don't know if you guys know of them, but I'll link them down below. They do a lot of really cool stationery like this as well. I really like this collection. This is so fun. You get a clear pocket pouch too, and to be honest, I think I bought it because of the stickers in the pocket pouch. I can easily punch through this with my arc punch. I'm going to show you guys right now. So I punched it through no problem. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just so you can see the sizing. It's nice and snug. I didn't even have to cut it. You do have a little bit falling out of the top and the bottom. It doesn't really bother me that much because I do have this Get It Done tab sticking out anyways, and I love that it's lined with pink. Oh, I forgot, you also get a page marker. You also have a ruler, and yes, this is quite large for the Happy Planner, but you can cut it down to size and punch it if you don't mind losing like an inch on the bottom. You get this little pocket that says Get It Done Girl. It's quite a narrow pocket. Again, you can just punch that right in. You also get these two little dashboard cards, and you can put these together if you want and just like make one big little pocket card. Then you get this big thing, which is meant to be a binder divider for the Target binders, but I looked at this and immediately thought of a cover for the Happy Planner. It would fit perfectly if you cut it down to size, obviously, but meaning that you have more than enough room to move it around as you would like. You guys know I'm obsessed with using Target folders because they have this material to them that make them pretty durable as covers on their own without having to laminate them. So that's just an idea right here. I'll probably switch this out for the summer. And last but not least are these adorable pens. Now I left the rest, all the other pencils and pens that I knew I just wouldn't use. I had been stuck in the past because they were pretty, but I never used them, mostly because they're ballpoint and I am a gel pen kind of gal. But these were so cute and designed on their own that I just couldn't let them go. I just really like the way these look on my desk, so that's why I got them. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you prefer explanation hauls like this, give this video a huge thumbs up because it lets me know that you prefer videos like this and I can keep on doing them this way. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I upload a new video. Alright guys, as always, catch you in my next one. Bye!